To begin with, we put our cocoyam on the fire. Over it, then we'll allow it to cook. Welcome. Yes, we're gonna be pounding it. Washing our meat. I'll wash first, second, third, then I'll put it. So fish. I'm going to be using this one. I'll pour hot water. So our fish added. Cover. Mana ka kwaga na nji mana ka tele. Eh? So this is my ogiri. I don't know the kind of cocoyam that we're doing this time around. Look at the whole of cocoyam that I put in this. The soup is watery. I don't know. Anyway, I have thickener here, so I'm going to be adding thickener on it. So, there is my thickener. I pray this will work. It will work. So, where is my crayfish? here is my bitter leaf. I'll be using bitter leaf for the soap. Let me see if it's bitter or I still need to wash it again. Yeah, I think it's okay. They wash it very well, so I don't need to stress myself. What I will do is just wash it, normal washing. So guys, at this point the soup is ready and it is time to put the bitter leaf. Forget say I dey village, but I too fresh. You can you see that hand? Can you see? Yes, I be fresh woman. Forget say na village I dey. Yes, forget I fresh. Yes, I know I'm in the village, but I too fresh. Don't you think so? Yeah. So putting the bitter leaf, my soup, as you can see. Yeah. You see my soup is busy doing It's bitter leaf soup with cocoyam, efede. So this one, they know this soup with Anambra people. So if you are from Anambra Kwenu, where are the Anambra people? Please, when I come, gather here. Let's see. How did I try? Did I try? If I try, I bet let me know. I'm not from Anambra, I'm from Imo State, okay? So this soup now when I soup. Now when I get this soup, so how did I cook? Did I try or I not try? I bet Mona tell me. Anambra people make una tell me. I try, I be I not try. Eh? I try, I be I no try. Ava, I try now. Me I know say I try. Me I know say I try. Forget say no plenty this thing. Yes, but it's sweet. It's sweet. I can tell you that. So I've added the bitter leaf. As you all know, bitter leaf need to cook very well, and yeah. So let's allow the bitter leaf to cook very well. So see my kids. So the when they swallow. Okay, so this point, food is ready. I will do the water. So it's time to eat. I'm so hungry. So guys, at this point, our video, we are done with the video, and at this moment, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Okay, so do well by subscribing, like, comment, and also help us share the video. Okay, and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.